Are you ready to make 500 Rand a day online in South Africa without spending a cent? Whether you're a student, hustler, or just want extra cash, today I'll show you real ways you can start earning from your phone or laptop. No investment needed. Stick around because these methods work for anyone with internet access and a bit of hustle. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start and how to hit that 500 Rand daily goal. Method 1. Freelancing. First up, freelancing. If you can write, design, code, or even manage social media, there's a client out there who will pay you. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients from all over the world. For example, if you write one blog post for 250 Rand and design a simple logo for 250 Rand, you've already hit your 500 Rand goal for the day. Tip: build a strong profile and showcase your skills with a few samples. Even beginners can land gigs with a good pitch. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Next, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services online and earn a commission for every sale made through your special link. You don't need a website, just use your social media, WhatsApp, or even free blogs. Sign up for affiliate programs like Takealot, Loot, or even global ones like Amazon Associates. Share your link, and when someone buys, you get paid. With the right product and a few sales, 500 Rand a day is possible. Method 3. Online surveys and microtasks. Another easy option: online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Taluna, Swagbucks, and Ysense pay you for your opinions or simple online tasks. While each survey pays a small amount, doing a few every day can add up. Combine surveys with other micro jobs like data entry or testing websites to reach your 500 Rand target. Method 4. Virtual assistant. If you're organized, consider becoming a virtual assistant. You'll help businesses with admin, emails, or social media from home. The average pay for a virtual assistant in South Africa is around 145 Rand per hour, so just 4 hours of work can get you over 500 Rand a day. There you have it. Real ways to make 500 Rand a day online in South Africa. No investment needed. Pick one, get started today, and let me know in the comments which method you're trying first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more money-making tips.